Okay, today I have my circle. If you don't know what this is, water, this little spout, it has liquid inside. It gives you like a stevia-like taste. Each one is different. This is strawberry watermelon. What we're gonna do is put this right here, and we're gonna see its durability test against a new CO2 Glock. So to be safe, I'm actually gonna adjust it so nothing happens. Alright, so I chose this and I'm gonna shoot that little thing. You might be asking yourself, why am I gonna destroy this? Well, besides the durability test, it did run out right as soon as I tried to take a sip on even number 9. This is at 5 because it is filled. But I tried at 9 and it still tasted like pure water, so I'm a little frustrated. And durability test, here we go. Alright, let's get up close and see what happens. So you see it pierce through. And let's finish this. So a step further. Ooh, right through. So honestly, I would say out of the durability test, this is pretty impressive. I can hear the metal BB inside, but honestly, I expected this thing to blow up. So, to be quite honest, not bad. Be safe. Have a good day.